We're gonna go ahead and learn how to do a strut, either a heel or a toe strut. For the demonstration, I am showing you on my side with your right foot or left, but the demonstration will do it with the right. You start off with your heel, heel, down, heel, down, heel, down, heel, down. With the count, it would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And like I said, with the struts, you could do a heel or a toe. Now with the demonstration, we'll do our toe struts. It'll be toe, down, toe, down, toe, down, toe, down. Now with your count, it'd be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this was toe or heel struts.